You are listening to Deadbeat Radio on db-radio.com. Number one.
Yeah.
DJ Deadbeat.
In place, now let me get to it. I'm better than your nigga and the niggas next to him. I do me, bitch, what are you doing? Teardrop tune got you bitches boo-hooing. We the F, baby, got goo-gooing. And good, I swear, if you start chewing, I'm suing. Yeah, into the paper I'm gluing. And my trunk ain't big, but big enough to fit you in. Have your people like, where the hell you in? They find your ass with everything but movement. And money talks and I speak it fluent. And I keep them too, so don't be screwing around uptown in this bitch like always. Young money on the grind, no off days. Young money got cheese like hog head. Now lay it down just like MJG and Ball said. Yeah. I'm so hard body. I'm so hard body. What you nigga wanna do? That's a big difference from what you gon' do, yeah.
DJ Deadbeat.
On you, yeah. Hold up, let me fix my head. Hold up, let me fix my head. Hold up, let me fix my head. Hold up, my head. Hold up, let me fix my cat. Hold up, let me fix my cat. Hold up, let me fix my cat. Hold up, let me. My brother Molly G say you boys ain't shit.
You can't name a bad bitch that the boy ain't with.
Same bad bitch that the boy came with. Same bad bitch that you boys can't
DJ
get.
Deadbeat.
I be goddamn if the mall ain't hit. Take your girl and straight fall that bitch. You know my niggas, yeah, I give them all that bitch. Then drop her ass off and never call that bitch. You dig? My brother Mac Main taught me that. I swear it's like that nigga wrote the game almanac. Dude, how could you even want her back? And just in case I forget my name, I made her get it on her back end.
DJ Deadbeat.
Let me fix my head. Hold up. Let me fix my head. Hold up. Let me fix my head. Hold up. My head. Hold up. Let me fix my cat. Hold up. Let me fix my cat. Hold up. Let me fix my cat. Hold up.
Let me.
Wolf animal, come on try and tame me. Tell your mom I'm bad and tell your grandma I'm dangerous. Tell your boy he pussy, tell your brother he a bitch. I own a mod set, go running his shit. I'm fucking this bitch on some rock and roll shit. Need calamine lotion, see my pockets full, bitch. And they wonder why I sing and changed all my outfits. Cause all y'all rappers ain't talking about shit. I'm a ball out bitch, and boy I wish all y'all assholes
DJ
get on
Deadbeat.
my dick balls. New Orleans till I die, take a line, tambourines in the sky, yeah. Let me fix my